All right, so we need a paper plate. Then we need the circles. Then one strip. Then we need a toothpick as well because we're going to support our umbrella. So in case you don't have toothpick, you can also go with the straw. Okay. Then we need a brush and paint because as we are using a blue color. So also keep a bowl, little bit filled with water. And these are the tiny sheets. So all these measurements are already been given to you. Okay. So we need a black or a sketch pen or a marker. So the first most important thing we are going to do is let's color this because once this is going to be ready, then we're going to continue with the rest of the thing. Okay. So I'm going to have a water also here. So now see your half is going to go with the effect of one side is the land and one side is the water. So everybody take out your blue color. You can make it little bit, put some drops here because we don't need a thick color here. And now I need a cotton. So you can go with any of your cotton rolls. So we have asked you to go with any other cotton roll. All you have to do is first apply a Fevicol on the area where we have not painted. Okay. And I always request you that once you're doing any of the painting things, just always go with the transparent sheet or the newspaper, doesn't matter. The reason behind it is because your table will not get spoiled. All right. Now we have the material for the umbrella. So I'm going to segregate that. We need one toothpick. Then we need 8 centimeter circles. So they are basically, 9 centimeter circle and 8 circles. So two colors are identical. Like I'm having a 2 yellow, 2 green. So that was according to your choice. So this is 9 centimeter, 8 centimeter will also go. Okay. So then we need a toothpick. So in case you have a bigger one, absolutely fine with that. In case you don't have, go with straw or any kind of stick. We just have to support it. There we go. So once you have folded, then we start fixing it. Okay, so we have to give it umbrella effect. So along with the Fevicol, you also be ready with one of the pencil. We need pencil also. But before that, just be ready. See. Now, once you have fold all these circles, these are 8 circles, right? So once you have fold these circles, it depends upon you how you want to go with your design. Let me show you. If you go with this umbrella is, I have taken yellow color, then pink color, then green color, then red color. All right. So this is the way I have taken these colors. So now, first of all, we're going to fix it. So if I'm going to open this up, it's going to be opening like this. But this is like a round circle that I have to give a umbrella look, right? So we're going to make it umbrella. So once you have done this, yes. All right, so take a pencil. So let's give it umbrella look, okay? How to give umbrella look? You know that umbrella is always like from down. That is again your creativity. So I'm going to give it like this. I'm going to cut it like this to give it a little bit umbrella look. You can go with any of your design to make an umbrella. Okay. But I'm going with a very, very simple. So let me give it a little dark one so that you can see it. See. So I'm just going to cut it here so that once I'm going to open it, it's all giving me like umbrella look. Okay. So here we go. So let me just first show it to you. So I've cut it like this. See, because once I'm going to open it, it's giving like umbrella look. If you can see this, right? So it is giving like umbrella look. Okay. So now it's up to you the way you want. So you can also go with your own cutting. All right. Tiny. Yes. Now it's fine. Okay. So I'm going to apply a Fevicol on one end because I'm going to join this now to make umbrella. And then here on the center also, I'm going to apply a lot of Fevicol. So I'm applying a lot of Fevicol here because I need to stick my stick because sticks take little time to get stick. And now I'm going to apply a Fevicol here on the peak of the stick. So mine is also a little loose at the moment because it takes time to get itself fixed. So sometimes if it's taking time, you can press it like this. It doesn't matter. You can press it like this. And then you can bring your umbrella, open your umbrella, bring it together. So see, now we are having all the things ready with us. The umbrella is almost fixed. And all we have to do is we have to put it right here and decorate it. Yes. So first, let's start off with the umbrella. So see, if you're going to put it here, the umbrella will not give a little popping effect. So all you have to do is just take two end here, balance it with the cotton, and let this stick go inside. Let it not be shown. And in the back, balance it. So I'm going to show it to you how. See. So I've taken a sport off here. Two umbrella sport. They're sporting, that is why it is popping, right? Like this. So here we go. So I've taken two sports here. Now, if you want to sit under the umbrella, here we go. You can sit like this. Okay. Let me also keep on seeing it so that I know what is going on. Okay. And if you're going to remove your slip-ons and relax, then you can put your slip-ons here. And relax. So let me see if I've covered all the space. Yes, I have covered all the space. Here we go. So now I'm going to turn around to show it to you. See, my bead seam is already ready. So I'm having two bead seams. See. Okay. So I'm going to lift it up to show it to you once again. Here we go. One beach is here. So I can sit here. If I want to sit, I can sit here. So the placement is whatever you like. You can also change the direction also. Okay. And even you can put a little bit glitters here in the water. You can also add starfish here in the water or the fish. Okay. Because this is the water. So if you want, you can also add the watery effect. That is like you can have a starfish here with a glitter sheet. You can cut it out. You can have a fish there in the swimming in this. Though, we are making, no, we don't have to paste this. We don't need to paste it because it's a cotton. So almost it gets stick with the cotton. So there's no sense of pasting it. But in case if you want to paste, you can. Okay. Yes, of course, you can paste. If you want to paste the umbrella slippers on the cotton, you can. If it is not sticking, you can paste it. Okay. Just apply, just drop of Fevicol will go because it's a cotton, so it will get stick immediately. Okay, and in case for this water, if you want to add some starfish, you want to add some fish also, you can, but don't have more of the fish because this is basically meant for you to be relaxing and going for a swimming. Okay, so you can't swim if there would be too many fishes here, is it? If there will be too many fish here, you will not be able to swim, isn't it? It's okay, it's okay. If it's falling again, you can see how to sport is again. I'm saying just take, I've already taken the two green sheet together and I just place it here. That's how it just got stick. So if it's not sticking, it's okay, not to worry. You can paste it. All right, so see, now both of them is ready. Yes, isn't that looking nice?